Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling what matters: compressor, tubing, medication cup, and mask or mouthpiece. Attach tubing to compressor outlet, then to the medication cup securely so no air leaks. Pour the prescribed dose, commonly 5 ml, into the cup. This ensures correct particle generation and therapy time. Once done, connect the mask or mouthpiece to the cup and plug the compressor into power. This readies airflow and prevents sputtering during treatment. Make sure everything sits flat and steady before switching on. You now switch the compressor on and confirm a steady fine mist. This shows correct nebulization. Intermittent sputtering means adjustments. Place the mask snugly or hold the mouthpiece between your teeth. Seal prevents aerosol loss. Breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale over 2 to 3 seconds, hold for 1 second, then exhale naturally. This helps medication reach small airways. Continue until the cup is nearly empty, usually 8-12 minutes, and make sure you remain seated and relaxed to optimize deposition. You finish by turning the compressor off and unplugging it. Disconnect tubing and discard any leftover medication per instructions. Rinse the medication cup and mask under warm running water, shake off excess, and air dry on a clean towel. This prevents bacterial growth. If the unit produces little or no mist, check power and all connections, inspect tubing for kinks, and ensure the cup is assembled correctly. If problems persist, replace disposable parts or contact support. Proper cleaning preserves performance and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.